Welcome to online digital marketing solution. In this video, I will explain Google Ads remarketing. Before watching this video, in my previous video is there how to set up Google remarketing code. Please watch that video before you are watching Google Ads remarketing. Okay, first let's open Notepad. Google Ads remarketing. Okay, Google Ads remarketing. So, what purpose I am running for this campaign? So, people who are already visited, my website, and they didn't fill the form and they didn't see the thank you page. So, those existing customers I am targeting. Nothing but a customer visited website and he did not purchase or he did not fill the form. So, those customers I am targeting. So for when you're running these Google Ads remarketing, you have to add the remarketing code first. Google remarketing code. So this code you have to add in our website for all pages. And when you're running this campaign, initially you have to run some display campaign or such campaigns. That time only you can target for who all visited a website pages you can target, otherwise very difficult. Initially you have to run some 2 3 4 campaigns. After that only you can start the remarketing campaign. So and also one more thing, you have to give any some offers, 10% discount, 30% discount, some whatever the offers related to your industry. So like that you have to run the campaign. Okay, let's start practical. Sorry. So once you enter the Google dashboard, just click plus symbol, new campaign. So I'm running for a remarketing campaign. So I will select a goal manually. Just I click campaign. So I'm running for display. Please note. So any you're running for remarketing, always go for only display campaign. It's good actually. Just click display, and I will go for standard display campaign. Just I have to enter the domain name. Next, continue, and enter the campaign name. So online digital marketing solution remarketing campaign. Remarketing campaign. Okay. So I'm targeting for only Bangalore location. So I select Bangalore. And if you want to target any specific location and any specific area, go for advanced search and you can select here. Also you can select the second location. I'm targeting for Bangalore only. So I will select the second option. And language I will go for English. And bidding type I'll go for say impressions, viewable impressions. Come down. And what is the budget? I'm spending per day 500 rupees. And next click addition settings and advertisements, optimize prefer best performing ads. By default going showing this option. Even I will also go for this option. And add schedule. Want to schedule your ad for weekdays or weekends, and timings also you can mention. Okay, I will not select anything. And next, even the start date and date you can mention, and devices, which device you want to show, like mobile, desktop. You can select the devices font. Will show automatically. And one more thing, so frequency capping is very important. I will set a limit. So for each person per day, how many times I have to show my ad? So each ad, or I can go for each ad only. Whole the campaign. So per day I am showing 5 times per day. So for one customers, so my ad will show 5 times. Okay. Next, I will not set dynamics, leave it conversion or next, come down You mention the ad group name, remarketing campaign. Next, come down. You select when because we are running remarketing campaign. So already existing customers I'm showing this option. So the reason I'm not selecting anything. The one more main important is there here audience. Just click browse. So how they have interacted with your business. So remarketing and similar dynamics. So click. So website which is see ODMS remarketing code. This one I have to select because already I have added this remarketing code in maps. I have created in Google Ads remarketing code and I have added in my website. So that reason I'm selecting. So this is a very important point. So we have to select this code and sorry, how much you want to put bidding. I'll put 5 rupees. Just click here and this we have to click responsive display ad. And this time you have to gain some offers either 10% whatever the related industry you have to give some offers. So our ad will keep on showing for customer 5 days per day 5 times showing like that every get because showing impression 5 minutes 0 minutes still now I have not run any campaign that region is showing. So it show max to max 1000 when you will get some 1000 customer it will show the impressions whatever the numbers it will show here. So like that you have to create a Google Ads remarketing campaign. Thank you so much. One more thing, when you are watching this remarketing campaign, please watch how to set up Google remarketing or previous video. After that, you can watch this. Okay, thank you so much. And just click creating. Once you add responsive display ad, you have to add the images. If you want to give any discount, you can give. Once you add this images, just click create campaign. Like that, you have to create Google Ads remarketing campaign. So this is very important. I think almost big companies they will target remarketing campaigns. They will invest huge amount. For small companies, also invest but less budget. Okay. Thank you so much.